Is your Amazon Echo Show motion detector not working? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check motion detection settings. When Echo Show motion detection is not working, check the motion detection settings. Launch the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on devices at the bottom of the screen. Select your Echo Show device from the list. From device settings, look for the motion detection option and ensure it is turned on. Method 2. Restart your Echo Show. Disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Allow it to sit unplugged for about 10 to 15 seconds. Reconnect your Echo Show to the power source and restart it. Now check if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Check for software updates. Ensure your Echo Show is running the latest software version. To check for updates, say Alexa, check for software updates. Also, make sure the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet is up to date. Open your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Alexa app. Method 4. Reset the device. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, reset the Alexa device. Swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down to Device Options. Tap on Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm the reset. Follow the setup instructions to set up your Echo Show again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance. And there you have it, the method to fix the issue when Amazon Echo Show motion detector is not working. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.